for you. Kind of has a plus sign cross shape when you think of the drawing here. The underlying line of action, and the head you don't see too much of. It's kind of tucked away, foreshortened in the other direction. So I'm just going to have a little bit of overlap. Tail marks it off to the side there. And you see most of the underbelly and the pelvis of this bird. And just kind of getting that general shape in there. So I think that's what makes it. And the foot, kind of, you can see the same idea. You're trying to draw the underside of this, doing a little cross contour line to build that up. I'm going to bend the little bit of the wing a little bit onto that. Find the center line right there. Blending that in. So there you go. So that gives you the initial selection, and usually starting with the head, even though you can barely see it, at least you can start to get the idea that you're just seeing partial pieces of it, and as you would try to see it, you're behind the 3/4 view of this. And the eye coming around here like so. So once you get the eye, it kind of helps you with the whole drawing. It's tricky. It becomes a lot more abstract when you take a look at the drawing here. And again, you're only seeing part of it, so it's the distortion that takes place there. I'm bringing this up. So I'm just going to kind of move the wing a little bit up off the page. Try to compensate for the rest of the bird's body. Squeezing them on the page here. Kind of the underside, just like a plane, really. Building that up there. And again, as you find where the legs come in, bending the wing just a little bit, actually a lot, just to get it on the page here. That piece up. And the feet, they kind of have the clutched leg in there that you can see. And blending that up there. And you can also, if the proportion of the character, you can always foreshorten it to make them fit into that. Builds that piece up. And then even if you just slightly place in there, always go back with a little bit of the geometry for the character there. So just kind of changing this a little bit to make them fit on the screen and on the page. Kind of have them flying over the top there. Oops. So you can kind of see a little bit of the curvature there. There you go.